I am going to introduce my friend Joan. He is 12 years old. Joan has a sister called Anna. He has a dog called Nuna. In his free time, he likes driving a quad, playing paddle, and ride a bike. He doesn't like broccoli. In the future, he wants to be a scientist because he likes maths.
I'm going to introduce my friend Johnny. He is 11 years old. He has got two brothers called David and Santi. He has got one dog and one cat. He likes play football, but he doesn't like macaroni. In the future, has got a police officer. In her free time, has got a park.
I'm going to introduce my friend Sael. He is 11 years old. He doesn't have a brothers or sisters. He doesn't have a pet at home. He likes basketball and playing computer games. He dislikes carbonara pizza. In his free time, playing basketball and playing video games, especially Clash of Clans. In his future, his friend is journalist because he likes traveling. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.